Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in this tutorial I will show you how to set up automatic replies on Outlook. So let's get started. Open your Outlook and go to File, and there is an option which is automatic replies. So click on that. Here you can choose send automatic replies. Okay, and here you can add your text. I will be, for example, online on Monday. That's, but you can add many text. So here you can check from you can check your start time and end time. Okay, from Monday to Friday I will be, for example, absent. So Monday till Friday. That's how you can set automatic reply on Outlook. Very easy and very simple, and you can change it. I will be online next week. This week I'm busy. That's how you can set automatic reply on Outlook. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you with it. See you in the next video.